And in the news today, we had core PPI, and unemployment claims. Digging straight into the charts, let's see how price reacted. At 8:30, price came up, took data highs, came down, and I believe price is seeking data lows. But let's look at the 5-minute chart right now. Price is still kind of moving sideways, right, in this range from previous days, PM high and low. So we're kind of still trending sideways. Let's look at NQ real quick. NQ is still kind of trending sideways as well. However, it is above the PM high. It looks like it's using PM high as like some sort of quote unquote support and Asia low as well. So I think we're going to be headed down today. Well, NQ is going to be headed down, I believe, in my opinion, but we're going to wait for confirmation to see if that's true. We are going to be trading ES though. So looking at ES took out London high, London low was taken already as well. However, I do believe price may want to manipulate up to take out previous day's highs to send price down lower. I always say this, price moves from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. So there are relative equal highs right here where a lot of liquidity is resting if you're looking at the 1-hour chart. So I do believe price may want to take that out and come back down. I just don't know to where because this fair value gap has already been taken. So price may head up, hit 50 fib, and then come down into previous day's highs as support, but we'll see. I'm not sure how price will react with news tomorrow as well. So we're just going to be patient. We're going to wait. If price does take previous day's highs, I will be looking for shorts. So that's going to be the trade that I am going to be looking for. And if price does take previous day's highs and kind of uses this as support, then I'm going to be looking for longs. So there's two different scenarios that I'm going to be waiting for confirmation. All right, so I took an MNQ trade. I took 4 contracts on an inverse fair value gap on a 3-minute time frame, as you see here. I did not wait for price to come up and retest that area. I did take some heat on this trade, and I did get a little bit nervous. Emotionally, I was a little bit fearful. And I almost closed out the position to minimize my losses, but I decided to just, let it go. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. Ultimately, price was consolidating in this area, and I'm not sure if this was a trade that anybody else would have taken, but for me, the setup was there, right? Because price had respected the bearish fair value gap and disrespected the bullish fair value gap on the 3-minute time frame. So that is the reason why I had entered. I trail my stop loss a bit. You're gonna see me move it down and move it back up as price was kind of chopping around. But let me know what y'all thoughts are on this entry and if you would have traded it a little bit differently. Also in the comments below, let me know how y'all did today. You're going to see me take profits early later on in the video, but that's because I didn't want to wait for price to potentially hit my take profit and then kind of reverse all the way back up because price was being a little bit weird. 1 trade for the day and I was done. In closing, I did 1 trade for $374.32. I'm still not taking 2R trades. This was about 1.75R because I closed it early, but it's okay. I'm going to learn to be more confident in my trades and hopefully I'll be able to continue to be consistent. Just wanting to be transparent, I did get 2 Top Step X accounts funded. All right. I'm going to set those to the side. When I start trading it, I'll start documenting it, but I am not going to trade them just yet. I want to see if I can get this to a quote unquote payout. So there's going to be 1 more day that I need to trade. Tomorrow is University of Michigan consumer sentiment. If you've been following me for a while, I hate trading those days. So I think I'm just not going to trade tomorrow. So there may not be a video tomorrow, just letting y'all know. So if y'all trade tomorrow, good luck. Let me know how y'all did. Subscribe to join me on my journey to 100K, and I will catch y'all tomorrow or next week.